If your friend eats a phone case, bites off a piece of an earphone, or chews on a piece of an e-reader case, don't be amazed! She must have watched our new video about edible cases and gadgets. My friend wants to eat my cookies. No way! Then she takes her phone and bites off a piece of the case while talking. Wrap the phone with plastic wrap nicely. Sprinkle a mat with powdered sugar or starch, and roll out sugar paste to get a thin layer. Wrap it around a glass and put it onto a phone. Press the paste over the phone. Define the corners and sides. Cut off the excess. Turn over the phone and the mat together and fold the edges inside. Wait a few hours to get the sugar paste hardened. Trim the front edges. Put a regular case onto the back side and cut out a hole for the camera. Take out the phone and wait until the sugar paste dries from the inside. Print out the apple. Cut it out and put it onto the back side. Shade the apple with a food marker. It's so delicious! And I'll have a sip of my friend's tea. The sugar paste is so sweet. If my friend is so hungry that she starts eating her phone case, I'd better share my cookies with her. The blue-eyed girl can chat on her phone for hours. I take a pack of M&Ms and mimic her. However, the blue-eyed girl responds immediately. She has a phone case which looks exactly like an M&M's pack. Take a reusable flap off a wet wipes package. Cut a hole of the appropriate size. Take out the candies. Put a phone case into the empty pack. Cut a hole for the camera. Hot glue both sides of the pack here and attach the clear wet wipes flap. Hot glue the pack to the phone case. Fasten it at the ends. Do not hot glue the power off and volume buttons. Put in the phone and fill the pack with candies. Firstly, the blue-eyed girl chats on an M&M's pack, and then she takes a candy out of it. Her new candy case not only looks like a candy pack, there are real candies inside. My M&M's pack doesn't seem so funny now. The blue-eyed girl loves sweets so much that I decide to make a present for her. While my friend is asleep, I will take a phone case with a snack for her. Open a package of Nutella and go. Measure the side of the crispy stick on your phone case. Attach rubber, keeping in mind the holes for the sticks. Paint a clean, small glitter jar with brown paint. Make the lid white. Put the chocolate spread in the jar. Attach a printed label to the lid. Close the lid tightly and hot glue it to the phone case. Insert the sticks into the rubber. Put my surprise phone case on the phone and insert it into my friend's palm. The blue-eyed girl is half asleep and can't figure out at once that it's a real phone in her palm and not a package of her favorite yummies. So comfy! Firstly, I will enjoy Nutella and crispy sticks. And then I will chat on my phone with a friend. The blue-eyed girl has put on her earphones again, turned on her music, and can't hear a word I say. Well, it's time to show her my awesome earphones. Trace a lid that is of the same size as a donut on a book board twice. Cut out the circle.